Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night from where you're watching me from. Now, I forgot to start this vlog before going to the shower, but now I'm back. And today I have such a long day. Trust you me, Adina Shindwa. How am I going even to divide myself? I have so many things that I should be doing, but I don't know how I'm going to go about it. I don't know. I'm so much confused. It's around what time is it? Where's my watch? The watch is actually charging. But I think it's around I woke up at around 6:30. So I think it's around 7. 7 something. Yeah. So I'm supposed to leave. I have to go to the salon. I need to go to the tailor again and check whether my dress is ready. I need to go and do my nails. I need to go and do pedicure. I'm so much confused. And the places are like, it's like a triangle. It's like I have a triangle. I'll be going on a triangle today. One place, the other place, and the other place. So that's a triangle. If I draw it, I think it's just a triangle. So this is me. I'm from the shower. I need to do quick, and actually it's raining outside, so I don't know even how I'm going to go about like everything. It's raining. I don't own a car. Hmm? I don't own a car. My people, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's raining. I don't want to Uber because where I'm going, I think where I should start is a bit close. So I should not even Uber. It's a place where I pay, I think, 40 bob. Yeah, 40 bob. And guys, my face, it's glowing. It's glowing. It's glowing. You know, glowing? My face is glowing. It's glowing. Hmm? You see how face glow? Mine is glowing. I'm loving how my face how Nivea has made my face look. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This is my day cream from Nivea. This one. Oh, naonyeshana huku, bado nionyeshane hapa. Yeah, here. Nivea day cream. If you miss me and find that I have a good face, a glowing face, no, that is Nivea. Okay? Nivea wamenifanyia ile kitu. And for my body, I do Jergens. I have Jergens. And I also do Jergens for my body. Let me tell you something. I wish I knew to train this much. I would still be sleeping. I love my sleep so much. I don't know even what happened. It made me wake up this early, and it's on a weekend. I still don't understand. Can someone make me understand why it's raining this much? Na niliamka mapema nikaoga. Now see I am even late. How am I going to finish my triangle? How am I even going to go about my triangle? It is raining so much. It is raining. I don't know what to do. I'm about to show you the dress code of the day, the look of the day. Let me call it the look of the day. Okay. It's about time. So get dressed with me. I love this outfit, by the way. Like, for real, I love it. I love how it blends. I love how it looks. I love everything about it. Yes. This is it. I think this one plus the rain and like everything. You see? How do I put it so I can sit here? Way, let me tell you something. I am so much tempted to go back and sleep. I am so much tempted to go back and sleep. Wallahi. With the way it's raining outside, I think going back and sleeping it's worth it. It's worth it, man. Yeah, it's worth it. So tell me why kunaweza kuwa kunaonyesha hivyo na ni time yenye tunafaa nitoke. Just tell me why. Because I actually don't understand. Tell me why. I don't understand why. Tell me why. Kunaweza kuwa kunanyesha hivyo na ni time yenyewe inafaa nitoke. I have not just sprayed myself. I was gifted this for Valentine's. This plus this shower gel plus a few other things. Guess by who? By the one and only my Valentine gifter. Thank you, dear. So, um, I love this for just here. Now today, I am going out with hope. Hoping. Did I do another one? No. Hope. Yes. Let me just go out with hope. Oh, sorry. There is hope. Keep hope alive. Okay. My hope. Today is on a weekend. I love doing hope on weekends. On Monday, I do on Mondays. Mondays, I love this one. This one is very serious, by the way. This perfume is very serious. I love it. This one is very serious. I love it for Mondays. Kai, na perfume zangu zinaisha. And I love this for Tuesdays. But they love perfumes. Like this one too, inaisha. I need to order more. Inaisha. Guy, I need to order for, but imekaa, actually, this one goes for even like 5 or 6 months. It's 5 or, did I say 5 or 6? 2 to 3 months, not 5 to 6. Then, that was Monday and Tuesday. And for Wednesdays, for Wednesdays and Thursdays, I do this one. I got this one from Two Rivers, and it just smells good, man. This one smells money. This one smells money, man. I got this one from Two Rivers, the designer perfume. That is, ni siku gani haina perfume? Oh my goodness. Kama ni unatumiaga hii 2 days, Wednesdays and Thursdays. And then Friday and Saturday, I land here. And then I mix with the body splashes and like everything, and I'm smelling good and I feel good and my steam is high. You know, I don't have money, I feel good because I am smelling good. Hey, guys, let me tell you something. We have a cat here. Na inasumbuaga. Yeah. The cat can actually cry for like, I don't know how many days. Like, kanashinda tu kamelia tu bure. Usiku mchana kanalia tu. I've missed this smell. I've missed this. I think I should. Kai, ona venye nafungua spray vibaya. Perfume vibaya. Ooh. Why is it falling down like that? Okay, it's still raining and I'm late. So that, and then I think I am going to add something here to, I'm not even split this one. I'm going to do this. So this one will help to complete the look of the day. I am tempted between wearing Crocs and some other shoes, but I'm thinking because it's raining, I don't want to look serious. So this, oh wait, this one needs something. This one needs something. No, not that one. I think I'll do this one on this too. I know I smell a cocktail of something, but that's me. That's my life. I love it that way. A cocktail of something. You asked me which spray is that, and I can't even tell you because I've used like 100 of them. So, very good. Very good.
No, na behave ka suspect.
Sione? Oh, pole. Niletea chai na chakula.
Okay, tusakenda.
Sarenda. Oh, isare. Soma kwa yako umeje uko tare.
Ole numie ku Vicky.
Akakanika na kapoa. Kama kasu.
Nde Vicky wewe moi.
Musale wa Mungu kwa tio.